Now in a question like this, remember the concept from our triple T document where we say, don't look at the answer options right away, they'll only confuse you. However, it can be useful to look at that answer format. And in this case, notice with the answer format, we see that there are not only a couple options where you could get an ordered pair as your solution, but there's also these special cases where you could have infinite solutions or no solution. Let's simply use Desmos, which we have in our software here in the upper right, just like you'll have in the actual Blue Book software. So let's go in there. And if you have any equations from a previous question in there, you can go ahead and hit that gear icon, hit delete all. And then we're gonna just type this in. And a key thing is that they don't allow you to use like different variables. If you do, it's going to ask you to do a slider, which we don't want to do. So you can choose how you want to replace the variables. If I were you, I would actually decide, okay, well, maybe the W came first, so I'm gonna make this X, and I'm gonna make this one Y, and this one's an X as well, right? Or you might be thinking, well, alphabetically, V comes first, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, but it's just kind of up to you. Whatever you pick, just be consistent. So when we type it in, we're gonna go ahead and do 8x plus 2y. I'm gonna close that parenthesis, put equals 3, press enter, and then just type everything else in. I like to use my keyboard personally. I just feel more comfortable with it. However, you could use the keyboard that they provide down here. That is an option as well, but I'm gonna continue to use my keyboard. So we have plus 4x. And notice these lines are parallel, which means they're never gonna intersect. And if they're never gonna intersect, they can't have any solutions, which means that there are no solutions to the system, making the correct answer D.